Alright, so I'm about to make some parfaits. Now I am going to make these. Okay, so to get started, because I'm gonna put these at the bottom, I'm thinking I should chop them up. Hold on, let me get my knife. I love knives. So, actually, it's always just like that. I love sharp knives. It takes a lot. It things a lot, so I'm gonna chop these up. It's already really soft. Z-bars are really soft and chewy. I just don't want to see it and have to just break these up with my finger. It's hard for it to chop up like it was if we had some granola. I know sometimes I'll use like granola bars. This right here. Yeah, I can see. Everybody like, why she got on an apron to make some parfaits, but it's because I'm about to make the omelets. I use the defrost so but we're gonna make this one. I use oranges if we have to. We do have 2 oranges. You should try to keep up with the. And it's good because this is gonna be on the side of some omelets. Down the side of some omelets. And then I'll put her another strawberry on top. And that's that. I might top it off with some whipped cream because we do got plenty of whipped cream, okay? But I'm gonna sit this in the refrigerator.
Let's try it out. Mix it.
We mixing it up?
Huh?
Mix. That's
Yeah, I was mixing it so I can get everything on top.
I used to go from the bottom.
This is so good. I wanted strawberry yogurt because
It's
I knew
good
it was going to be a strawberry.
with the orange bars, right?
Huh?